Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Mind Your Money. If you're here for the first time, the woman behind the voice is Tasha. I am married to a wonderful husband. I'm a wife of 3 amazing boys, and we are documenting our journey to financial freedom while we build generational wealth. It is 6:45 in the morning on Wednesday, November 10th. I'm drinking a cup of coffee, and we're going to do an Invest with Me for the first time. I'm so excited. So if you're interested in learning to invest or seeing how we're investing with people with a moderate income, then please click the like button, click subscribe, and stay tuned. All right, so we're going to jump right into it. I have been reading The Automatic Millionaire, and I know that is important if you want to become a millionaire, if you want to build wealth, that you should automate your finances. That means automate your savings, automate your investing, automate your bill paying. Now, we do have automatic transfers and things like that that occur on our end. But for the most part, because I enjoy budgeting and I believe budgeting is the number one thing you should do when you want to start being better with money and, of course, building generational wealth, which is what we talk about here. Make sure that you have a budget, you have a plan for your money so you know where it's going and you know where it's coming from. That way you know where to put it. So we're going to look at Robinhood first. All right, Robinhood has a current balance as of 6:48 a.m., 12.13 and 73 cents. We're down, we're in the red today, which is good for me because Mommy Trader always says to buy low, and I agree with that strategy, so we're going to buy low. I did receive a comment on one of my recent videos. I had asked if anyone had any tips or stock tips for me, and one person said buy VTI, of course, and I said yes, I'm definitely going to do that because VTI is one I purchased a fractional share in October because I was participating in Mommy Trader's $1 a day investment challenge. So right now, VTI is on sale for $241 and 60 cents. Okay, it's usually up, and remember, the market fluctuates. That means prices go up sometimes and then prices come down. So but overall, if we look at the 1-year history, it's been going up. You can see from December of 2020 through January, February, March, okay, it's going up. Now we have $11.44 worth of VTI, so that's less than a share. And my 2-year-old just woke up, so I'll try my best to get through this without any baby noises, okay? Or toddler noises. All right, so the history that we have here, God bless you, is that we have purchased micro investments, $3 on the 10th, $2 on the 17th, $6 on the 29th. Anyone who's making a low or moderate income watching this video, please know you do not necessarily need to have $10,000 to just throw into the stock market. Start where you are. It makes a difference. And I'm going to share that with you because my husband and I are using a moderate income right now. All right, so we're going to buy VTI in dollars. I've decided because I have $134.17 of buying power available, we're going to purchase $34.17 of VTI because I have some others that I'd like to buy today. So I'm going to type that in the box and then click Review Order. And it says you are placing a good for day market order to buy $34.17 of VTI based on the current market price of $241.60. You will receive approximately 0.141432 shares. Your order will be placed after the market opens. What's good about this is I have confirmed that I'm placing a good for day market order. That means even though I'm not buying a full share, I'm still buying this amount, $34.17. So they cannot change my order amount. This is exactly what it's going to be. And because it's early, it's 6:45 a.m., I have to put in my password. Okay, VTI order pending, amount invested 0 of $34.17. It will be placed when the market opens at 9:30 a.m. on Wednesday. When I'm recording this video, you guys will see it on Thursday. So done. I'm happy about that. $34.17 of VTI purchased. And all of that means is we have $100 remaining to purchase. Okay, now we have plenty of stocks in the red. Ally, which has less than 2 shares, and I want to get that to 2. We have Microsoft. That's also on sale right now. It's in the red, which means it's good to buy low. Again, that's the strategy that I'm incorporating in my investing here through Robinhood, to buy low. And also I'm making sure we can reach our goals, my husband and I's goals, of getting at least 2 shares of each stock, each ETF, each bond, just to get us started. So, those dividends can begin to be automatically reinvested, and we just keep growing our portfolio passively. That's the reason why I said, let's get at least 2 shares of each. So that's the way we can automate our investing, right? One way of doing it, okay? So that you can gain passive income. All right, APTV is down and QCOM. Now, for some reason, this section of Robinhood doesn't show me all of the stocks we own, so I'll be clicking on each one individually. Now, because we're really close to having 2 shares in Ally, and it's down right now, and the market price is $49, I'm going to click on Ally, and I'm going to purchase. Now I have $100 of buying power available, and this is $49. I'm going to buy 1 share for $49, and when I buy this 1 share, we're going to have 2 shares, a little more than 2 shares. So that reaches a goal for us of another stock with 2 shares. I'm excited about that. So let's review the order. And it says you are placing a good for day market order to buy $49 of Ally based on the current market price. Please keep in mind that I am not giving you investment advice. I am not a financial advisor. I am not a stockbroker. I don't have any certification in investing. I am simply sharing this for entertainment purposes and also inspiration purposes, because I want other people, again, to know, who make a low or moderate income, that you can still invest. Okay, so we're going to buy, because I'm already comfortable with Ally. I know that I want this. I use Ally in my everyday life, okay? And also it's on sale right now. So I have an order pending. And again, this order will be placed as soon as the markets open. Okay, so that's 1 full share, and click done. And now we have more than 2 shares of Ally Financial, which is great. That was $49. Now, I'm going to go back to my portfolio, and we're going to take a look at what else. So we already have 1 share. You see there's a plus sign here because there's an order pending for Ally, and we'll have 2.39 shares, which is great. Now, Microsoft is also a really decent one. Now, if you look, I believe I have a dividend pending coming in from Microsoft, and they're in the red today. So it's on sale, which means you can get it for a good price. If we look back at the last year, Microsoft has been on an upward climb, which is great. It has been increasing, and I believe in Microsoft. If most people know what Microsoft is, they develop software, services, devices. I can pretty much place a safe bet on Microsoft that they will continue to grow. I purchased Microsoft 1 stock, or one share, I should say, back in March or April of last year for $175. And I've been purchasing portions of it, fractional shares, for the last month or so. Now we're going to put an additional $51 into Microsoft. I choose Microsoft, 1, because it does pay dividends. I trust and believe in this company. It has an 89% buy from analysts. I don't always follow this section, but if you were looking in Robinhood and you wanted to get, an extra expert opinion on whether or not this is a good purchase, I would look at the analyst ratings and then see what the bulls say, see what the bears say. download the CNN financial app. I have that on my phone so I can see what's going on in the market before the market opens, what their predictions are, so I can get an understanding. To be a knowledgeable investor doesn't mean you have to be working with thousands of dollars. You just need to know what's going on so you can make informed decisions. Okay, so I'm going to use the rest of our buying power of $51 left in the brokerage cash to purchase a fractional share of Microsoft. I'm going to click review order. And it says you are placing a good for day market order to buy $51 of Microsoft based on the current market price of $3.35.04. You will receive approximately 0.15222 shares. This is great for me. I'm going to click buy, and as soon as the market opens, we will have our additional fractional share of Microsoft. So I'm going to click done, and that is it for Robinhood. Okay, so my current portfolio, $1,213.67. Again, we have some purchases that are pending. 86%, 88%, sorry, of my portfolio is stocks and options. Okay. 11% is showing in the brokerage cash. Again, those purchases are pending. And then we have a fractional amount, 0.34% of our portfolio in Robinhood is invested in cryptocurrencies. Okay, this is where we are before those purchases are made. And these are some of the stocks that we have purchased into. Microsoft, APTIV. I think if you are interested in investing, you should definitely use this search bar up here. If you open Robinhood, to type in the ticker symbols or the names of the companies, and then do some research, read up on them to see if it's a good fit for you. Ally Financial, ExxonMobil, Qualcomm, Pfizer, Vanguard Russell 2000 Index, Vanguard Tax Exempt Bond ETF, CVS, Vanguard Total Stock Market, Apple, Intel, Vanguard S&P Small Cap 600. I just purchased like a very small amount of this so I can just get in because I like what I was reading about this company. So check it out if you'd like to. This is not investment advice. This is not investment advice. And then Moderna. So I chose those, and this is how we're working with Robinhood right now. I have 4 types of cryptocurrencies. I have Bitcoin, Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin Cash, and Dogecoin. We are going to be using Coinbase going forward to continue purchasing in cryptocurrencies. I'm just going to leave this here and see what happens, because honestly, I feel more comfortable using Coinbase to invest in crypto than I do in Robinhood, because I get a lot more understanding of how these different cryptocurrency assets work. And I think if you're interested in that, you should do some research as well and check out Coinbase, because they make it very easy for you to learn and earn while you learn. Okay, there's a link in my description box if you're interested. Okay, so that's Robinhood. We're going to go ahead and move forward into M1 Finance. Okay, as of 7:03 a.m. on November 10th, my portfolio in M1 Finance has a value of $348.13. We're going to look over here to the right, as the cash balance is $30.02, thanks to that referral. Whenever you use my referral code or link and you deposit your first $100 into your M1 Finance account or portfolio, you will get $30 from M1 Finance, and I will get $30 from M1 Finance. I believe they may also be giving an increase of $50. So if you're ready to start investing, M1 Finance is a very simple and easy platform to use. You sign up, you get $30, I get $30 or $50, depending on what their incentive is for investing. So because of this $30 and the 2 cents in dividends that we received, I'm going to buy low again. Again, I'm keeping that strategy, and I'm going to purchase $10.02 of VTI. So the first thing that I'm going to do is click on research. There are many different ways you can do this, but I try to make it as easy as possible. So I'm going to click research, and then right here over in the upper right-hand corner, there's a search bar. So I'm going to click in that search bar and type in the ticker symbol VTI, and Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF pops up. So I'm going to hover over it, click it, and here we go. Right now, 242.06. Remember, it's low right now, so we're going to buy low. Now, VTI's top holdings is Apple and Microsoft. You see, you just kind of get the flow. You get to see what's a really good buy. And now that I see that, I'm even more convinced that I purchased the right way through Apple and Microsoft. So I'm going to go back to invest, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to look at my portfolio. I have a pie. This was my first pie. We'll talk about that in a later video because I don't want this one to be too long, hopefully 15 no more than 20 minutes to walk through our investments today. So I have VAW, VB, of course, this is one of my favorites, Qualcomm, Microsoft, and then VTI and Apple. So I'm going to click on VTI. I have $1.08 worth of VTI currently through M1 Finance. And I'm going to scroll down to see where I can buy. So I'll click the buy/sell, and then I'm going to purchase $10.02 to leave $20 behind that I can invest in something else. So I'm going to click continue, and then my order will be placed 9:30 a.m. today, November 10th, 2021. I'm going to click confirm buy, and then boom, order has been submitted. So done. So that is finished. Now I'm going to go back to my portfolio, and I'm going to see what else I have here that I would like to invest in. Okay. Now, when you go back to your portfolio, you see here, there's like a blue circle with two arrows, a left arrow, right arrow. This is showing me that there is an order pending. Okay, that's another way to see that your order is being placed. Okay, now I'm seeing green for all of my gains and returns here. And I'm thinking maybe I should go ahead and invest the rest of this $20 into Apple, since I have a fractional share and we have a current value of $1.06 in Apple. So I'm going to go ahead and buy. If you look here at this graph, I think this is down a little. So I'm going to buy, and that is going to be $20. And again, for anyone who might be thinking, that's such a small amount. Even the small amounts build up. How many 20s do you need for 100? Think about it that way. My order will be placed at 9:30 a.m. today for $20 worth of Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. I'm going to click confirm buy, and bam, order submitted. Your buy order for Apple has been submitted. Done. That's it. And that's $20. So that's how I spent $30 investing in Apple and also investing in VTI through M1 Finance. And again, if we switch back to Robinhood, I invested through $34.17 in VTI, $49 in Ally, and $51 in Microsoft. Okay, we currently have $342.96, and I made some movements on Transfer Tuesday that I didn't share in the actual Transfer Tuesday video because I was focused on other parts of our financial picture, if you could say that. What I did was I purchased one full share of Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, aka VTI, on November 9th. It will be settled by November 12th. That was buy one share for $241.67. The commissions and fees are zero for this purchase, which I'm so grateful for. And this is why I like and enjoy Vanguard. They made it very easy for me to transfer small amounts into my IRA. until I was ready to invest the money or make a purchase of a stock or of a bond or ETF. So I'm going to scroll down to show you what my contributions were. Again, I do this every single week. My first contribution was $54, and then I sent $16, and then I sent $100, and then I sent $25, and then I earned 14 cents in dividends from VTEB. So that's basically what allowed me to buy one full share of VTI for $241.67. I just consistently put money in, and not always the same amount each week. I did what I could because I know it's important to do something as opposed to doing nothing. Because if you invest $0, you get $0 return. But if you invest something, you will get a return. And I've already received one dividend of 14 cents from VTEB, and I was able to purchase one full share of VTI on November 9th. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Please don't think that because you are making a low or a modest income right now that you can't invest, because you absolutely can. All right, so that is the end of today's video. I hope that you guys did enjoy it. I hope that you found something helpful or entertaining in it. If you have any comments, leave them down below. I love to engage with you. I love to talk with you. I love to hear your opinions. Doing this type of video is new to me, but it's also very fun for me. I'm excited that we've made some money moves today. And I hope that you would not hesitate to give this video a thumbs up. Remember that you are amazing. You guys have helped me and pushed up this channel that we could get even closer to our first 1,000 supporters. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Remember, your likes are absolutely amazing to me and they are free. So please click that thumbs up button. Let me know how you felt about today's video. This is the first time doing an Invest With Me, and I can't wait to chat with you in the comments. Remember to mind your money, manage it well, and live your lives abundantly. Thanks so much for being here. Bye for now.